Hey everyone, hope you all liked the first video. Today I came up with another video. Today I've tried to cover the some of the extensions of VS Code that can be useful for a developer. Okay, so let us start from the first extension. This is called live server. Okay, what live server does actually is it shows the live changes of your code in the browser. It makes us possible that we can see the changes what we have done in our site in our HTML file. You can directly see it in browser. Okay, so how to install the live server? You first visit the VS Code extension market and search for live server, and you can see that I have already installed that. So you can just see the install button here and just click it. And to open with the live server, navigate to your file, HTML file, right click on the window and open with live server. Okay, you can see the change there. Okay, live change means what we change here. Okay, s2 hello, control s, you can directly see the change written here. Okay, so this is important for the web developers using learners that are currently learning HTML. So next extension we are talking about is browser preview. Okay, what browser preview actually does is you can see the live changes in the side by side, right? The code in the one side of the VS Code, and you can directly see the change in the another side. Okay, so how to install the browser preview? Just same like that, search for the browser preview. Okay, here is it. I have already installed that. After installing, you can see the icon of browser preview in the left panel of the VS Code. Just click that. Okay, it is taking some time. Let us wait. Okay, there it is. The URL bar is completely empty, so please replace it with your local localhost port default port 5500. Okay, you can see the change. Okay, if I write another paragraph, hey there, hey there, and control s, you can directly see the change there. And if we change the styling of the like body, background color red, you can directly see there. I haven't linked the CSS file, so let me link it. Control s, so directly you can see the change there. So let us remove this. Okay, removed. Okay, this was the second extension. And okay, let us talk about third extension, that is code formatter, Prettier code formatter. This is actually this extension actually make your code very much organized, and it looks so smooth. Anyone can read your code. Like you it makes you to navigate among the brackets, anything, any code. It manages your code and format the code. So for installation, just search Prettier code formatter. Okay, here it is. You can install either of them, Prettier Now and Prettier code formatter. I have Prettier code formatter, so you can install either of them. And to use it, just right click on the document you want to format. I haven't that much code, so I think it won't work here. Format document with Prettier code. Okay, so it formatted that way. So this was the third extension. And the next extension is, let me have a look. Okay, EsLint. Okay, EsLint is a JavaScript. EsLint is for JavaScript. This extension makes it possible uh, um, to navigate the errors, to debug the errors. If there is any error, any bracket, any comma misplaced, you can it directly shows us in the console. So it is very much important for web developers. Just search for EsLint. You can install it from here. Okay, this is for JavaScript. Okay, this one to open HTML files. This will only open JavaScript file because this is for JavaScript. Okay, so next extension we're talking about material icon. Okay, material icon is a extension that provides that makes us easy for determining which file you are working on. Like if the extension is .html, yeah, along with the file name, you can see there the icon of the HTML file, HTML5. And if you are working with CSS file, you can see the icon of CSS and JavaScript as same as I have made three files in the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can see the changes here. JavaScript has this on icon JS, return JS, hello. You can change them. Okay, just search for material icon. Material icon theme. Okay, this is the material icon theme. You can install it from here. I have already installed it, so please install it. It makes us it makes it easy to navigate between the files. If you have too much files, you can just know them. Okay, next extension is material theme. Okay, you can see the my screen of VsCode. It is quite catchy, and it is a background. It's so amazing. You can change it, so I can change like anything color theme. This is the material theme. I can choose from here. High contrast. Okay, this is the theme. Anything you can change among them. So install to install it, you can just theme material theme. This is the icon theme. Okay, this is material theme. You can install it from here. And to change the theme, you can just navigate to preferences and color theme, and you can choose from here. Material, I mostly like material pale light. This is not with extra contrast. Okay, this was it. Okay, you can actually check others you like. Okay, this was it. And another extension we'll be talking about bracket pair colonizer. This is actually pretty much good extension, and pretty much useful extensions for every web developers and JavaScript developers, because it detects every like if you are working on long code base, and if you cannot determine which bracket is the closing bracket of first one, so it navigates, it makes us easier by making some kind of a map of brackets. So to install it, go to the VsCode extension market and just search for bracket colonizer, bracket pair colonizer, basic bracket bracket basic bracket pair colonizer. Okay, here it is. You can just install it from here. I have already installed that. And to check it, let me write some code here. Okay, person function that console.log hello. Okay, so how does pair colonizer work? If you just click on the this one, this makes some map, some kind of line which has the closing tag. You can just enter here, and just it makes it easy to navigate between the brackets. So please install it, it is important. So okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe.